I know you clicked on this video because you saw this flippin' beauty from Nardone. This car is called the Nardone 928. In a world full of 911 Restomods, it is absolutely rare to see someone taking on a project of this magnitude and using this car. A Porsche that was not loved that much. It wasn't given the full Porsche treatment. It was seen as like a Porsche light, like M lights. And I've actually loved these cars ever since I saw them. They're from the 80s. I thought they were really dope because it was at that time the only Porsches that had V8s and a manual, which is quite crazy. And it had the engine in front instead of having the engine in the wrong place, Porsche. I love how Porsche has been stubborn and it's not supposed to work, but they've engineered the hell out of these cars. That engine placement has become just iconic and also pivotal in how Porsches perform. Now, this car is also ridiculously priced. Why? Because the only thing that is from the original car on these reimagined 928s are the doors. That is the only thing that is worth keeping, and everything else has been engineered from ground up. This car has more than 3,000 new parts on it, which also kind of justifies the price that these people charge. Now, what's so special about this car? As I said, fully carbon fiber, everything's reworked. Interior, crazy. Body, absolutely mwah. As the kids would say, it's T. The body is T. Just look at the design. I love the rear. My goodness, the front is slick as hell. It's a retro mod. It's in the future. It's here and actually beyond. The rear though is the pièce de résistance. Can I say retro? Because it's being used in the new cars. That light, you know, the one single light that now Audi is starting to use in their cars too, which I don't like. I don't like that Porsche is letting them do that. I hate it. Now, Nardone say this about the car on their website. I'm going to read word for word from their website. A vehicle for pleasure seekers, for those who stand against the dull world and refuse to comply. The Nardone 928 is for those who dare. Just like Porsche did when they rejected the rear engine principle, they also abandoned predictability. The Porsche 928 was made by the bold, and now it is Nardone leaving ubiquity at the starting line. Lots of words for saying we made the 928 cooler. We made the 928 better. It's pretty much it. Now, what makes this car so special? Let's start with the engine. As you can see, the inside of the hood is just Carbon City. This looks so nice. Now, the Nardone 928 has a heavily modified 5-liter naturally aspirated V8, which makes 450 horsepower, 336 kilowatts, and 522 Newton meters of torque. Naturally aspirated, guys. That is the important thing. So now, how did they get all this power out of that engine? It has over 300 new parts. Some of these parts are: it has new camshafts, a bespoke carbon fiber intake plenum, enforced closed deck block, new exhaust manifolds, and improved lubrication, allowing for an extra 1,000 RPM over the regular one. It also has a custom 6-speed manual gearbox with an LSD, which is just put in the regular 5-speed casing. And it has motorsport grade wiring. So this car, as I said, everything is new. Even the wiring is brand new, and it is motorsport grade, so that you know this thing will not fail. Now, body wise, as I said again, it is fully carbon. Ka-ching, expensive. The wheels are 18-inch Manhole style forged rims, so they are very strong and very light. The brakes are Brambos. Everybody knows you can trust Brembo when it comes to brakes. They are trusted by everyone from Ferrari, Lamborghini, whatever you name it, Brembo will service the big boys. And now they are in this car. Another thing, it has active controlled electronic suspension. The axles are redesigned. I'm talking front and the back. And the interior is also a new thing. Like, it looks so beautiful, and you can either order it in Alcantara or leather. Mwah! And then to round off the whole package, the car has a high-end 11 speaker system. I don't know who's going to be using that 11 speaker system when you have a V8 that sounds like a NASCAR. As I said, a world full of 911s is boring. This one adds something different. When you pull up to a car meet with this, you will find Lamborghinis, you'll find Ferraris, and all those other cars, and this will get attention. Guaranteed. It is so different. It is so beautiful. In every color that I've seen this car in, it pops. And 450 horsepower, naturally aspirated, that's no joke. This thing boogies. It is light and powerful. It has been brought to the future, and thank you to Nardone. You guys have done an exceptional job. They've been able to pull off pop-out lights, which Ferrari couldn't do because of safety reasons on their Testarossa, or what I call the fake Starossa. This car is just pure 90s retro yumminess. Tell me guys, what do you rate this car out of 10 in the comment section? Until the next video.